P. Suresh Babu. I'm a Chief Anesthesiologist of Devi Shetty Group of Hospitals, and our hospital is a 120-bedded hospital, which is well equipped with all latest sophisticated instruments. Like we have 3 theatres, and the 3 theatres are well equipped with the laminar flow system. It is very advanced technology, where the infection rate we can reduce almost minimal to 0%, and we did a lot of cases in these theatres. As for example, we have 5 days back we have taken a very challenging case, that is a pregnant lady came with severe mitral stenosis along with pulmonary arterial hypertension, and it is a very severe condition. So we have efficiently managed that case, and like we are getting almost all complicated cases, like with the cardiac problems and with renal problems, and till recently when we have received a case in emergency department where a patient is having almost diabetes and hypertension and is suffering with chronic renal disease also, and he is unable to take a breath and everything. So we efficiently manage that case, and we are putting him under consultation with a nephrologist and all those things. And we have a dialysis separate unit in 2nd floor, and we have endoscopy unit also with us. We have round the clock services in the ICU department also, where we have a group of team, and along with this team we are able to manage efficiently with ICU, and we have round the clock MD, that is Dr. Syed sir, and Dr. Pramada. We are able to efficiently manage all kinds of cases, especially we are receiving very complicated cases, and approximately we are doing around 20 to 30 cases per month, because as we are, this is started as hardly a month. And when it comes to the other diagnostic part, and we have around the clock 24/7 services diagnostic centers with the 2 ambulances facilities. In the diagnostic center we have all the latest multi-slice CT scan machine, and we have latest 5-probe ultrasound machine also, and this is a 3D and 4D machine. So in this way we have like we are dealing all type of cases with our best effort, and with our with our efficient team work, and we are able to achieve. So and our total bed occupancy is right now is around 20 to 30, and we are going to start in the future a cath lab also in the top floor, where a separate OT for cath lab and ICU. We are establishing a separate floor for entire cath lab, where we can deal primary angio stents and all those things. So in the coming near future 6 months we are going to start, and we are having all facilities, and we are working like as a team in under one roof.